The Grifco D-Drive variable speed inverter controllers DDI7, DDI12 and DDI15 all require a single phase 230 volt AC 10 amp power input cable. This cable should have 3 cores consisting of an active line, a neutral line and a protective earth. Ensure power is disconnected to the equipment before beginning any installation and that the cables, plugs and on-site circuit installation used meets the regulatory obligations for the location of your install. To connect the cable, first feed the loose end through a cable gland on the underside of the controller housing. Ensure there is approximately 150 millimeters of cable protruding into the controller through the cable gland to allow easy connection to the terminals. Next, locate the protective earth screw terminals along the bottom edge of the control board. You can connect the protective earth core of your cable to any of the protective earth screw terminals in the block indicated in the manual. Ensure the screw terminal is tightened so that the protective earth core does not come loose when pulling on the cable. Next, locate the line and neutral spring connector terminals at the bottom left of your control board. There is an L and an N printed on the underside of the connector terminals to indicate which way the lines should be connected. Alternatively, you can refer to the connection diagram in the manual or quick start guides. Push in the button on the active line spring terminal and feed the stripped end of your active line cable into the terminal. If using solid core cable, do not twist the cores together as this will make it difficult to insert the cables and result in a less secure connection. Release the button once the cable is in place. Ensure that the cable does not come loose when it is pulled. Repeat this process for the neutral cable. Once all cables have been connected to the terminals, tighten the cable gland on the underside of the enclosure enough to ensure the cable does not move when it is pulled. Ensure the enclosure is closed securely. The power should now be connected, and if you have already connected your motor, encoder and safety brake cables, then you are ready to power on your controller.